Coconut chutney. Very nice. Very nice.
There was some
Oh,
fruits
this is nice,
inside
isn't
that
it?
apple.
See, this is what parents can do to excite their children, no? Making it. Oh, this is nice.
What have you got?
Look at that.
What's going on?
There's a cherry
Oh
here.
my goodness!
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
it's
so
good.
Distinguished and invited guests, parents I believe, and dear students. It's Ambula Vinaka and a very, very good morning to you all. It's really a very cold morning, but the food that we saw inside prepared by the schools, I think got our mouth watering, and I think after the program we get a chance to try it out, hopefully. Anyway, we are here this morning to formally close the Healthy Lena, Healthy PG program, a partnership between the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, and the Reach for Your Future Foundation with the Australian government. Ganesh, I'm sure it has been a very hectic week for your team, but I'd rather see this program continue, okay? And the schools that have been part of it, the head teachers who have been very cooperative to get this program rolling, thank you very much on behalf of the government. And again, I think children, first and foremost, can we put a big round of applause to everybody here? You know, one of the reasons, when I was sitting there, I read this. Our life, our health, our responsibility. Can you say that? And you know what? If all of us say that, and if all of us practice that in our life daily, my walk would be much easier. My work as a Minister for Health would be so much easier if everybody said that their health is their responsibility. Unfortunately, here in Fiji, we are talking about NCDs, we are talking about diabetes, we are talking about high blood pressure on a daily basis. And one of the reasons is because people are not taking their health seriously. So this initiative where we target children, target school children. Last week in Lambasa we launched the SOS program with the Rotary International. SOS, most of you say save our souls. But we are looking at reducing our intake of sugar, oil and salt. You know, these are the things that give us diseases. A lot of sugar, a lot of salt, and a lot of oil. So any program that is targeted at children, I think it is very important because you children can become ambassadors and advocates for good health. We expect you to go home and relay this message to your parents and guardians. Okay? I mentioned this previously. You do not put the food on the table, but you eat what your parents give you, right? So who do we blame? So sweet. I'm not saying we blame anybody. I'm saying we all play our part. The information that your teachers give you, the information that this program has given you, take it back home and say, look mom, this is what I saw prepared by Suma Primary School. The children prepared this snack, a healthy snack. And what makes it very easy for us to eat healthy food is the fact that we live in a country where we are surrounded by healthy food, fruits and vegetables. And we can even grow our own food. How many of you do backyard gardening at the house? Very good. If you haven't, go home today, tell your mom and dad, tell your grandparents, we need a small garden where we are going to grow our own vegetables. And these are the vegetables that we are going to prepare. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. Okay, coming back to it, Ganesh, to you and your team, to the Australian government, the Ministry of Education, and all the partners, all the schools that participated, thank you very much for that. And as a ministry, we are very serious about creating awareness about why people need to eat healthy. It's not about only eating healthy, it's about exercising. The girls just told you what you can do. You do not have to go and take a long walk on the main road. You can do your own physical activities around the houses. Again, to the students, how much time do you actually spend watching TV? eating chips and fizzy drinks and chocolates and cakes and pastries. Say, come and eat me. They say that, right? So you look at them. What should you tell yourself? No. My health is my responsibility. Instead of that, grab some food. Have an apple a day, give to doctor. Smart children. I don't have to say much. So anyways, let me just say something that I want to say. And so through this program, we are trying to encourage each one of you, each student. Okay? We want each student to follow this in real life. To the schools who participated in preparing the healthy snack. Okay, thank you, AZ. Thank you, AZ, for coming on board. Thank you, Remington, for coming on board. Without sponsors, it's not possible. So, when you are part of something, you learn. When you cut the vegetables, when you make salad, when you make your fruit platter, you learn these things. Okay? So, that's another important thing. So, go home and tell yourself that I am going to be a healthy eater. I'm going to live a healthy lifestyle. No smoking, no drinking, no extra sugar, no extra salt, no extra oil. What else? A lot of exercise. Enough rest. Not too much TV. TV is good. You can watch the news. You can watch your favorite programs and then shut the TV off. Part of the reason, ladies and gentlemen, why we have these issues is because sometimes as parents we neglect our responsibilities. Right? Your dad goes to work, your mom goes to work, your uncles and aunties go to work, and we leave our children to live a life of their own. So as parents, I think it is equally important that we play our role. As teachers, it's very important. Children spend a lot of time in school, and every lesson we need to incorporate healthy living into that. Just one healthy tip. What else did I want to say? Sorry, I forgot. Your head teacher talked about change. Okay, your head teacher talked about change, and change must start from where? Now, with us and within our own homes. We can't change the nation. We can't change the world if we do not change ourselves. Okay, so the students here. There was also mention about the school canteen policy. Yes, it's a very important policy that we do not want to accumulate dust on the shelf. Okay, this is a piece of paper. It's a policy. Education and Ministry of Health has done this policy, and you keep it in the office. This is for the school management. What children eat within your premises is also very important. Of course, we cannot control what they go out and eat. This is where we let the parents come in. Okay? So children, just a final message. I know you're all excited to get your prizes, so you actually don't want to listen to me. So I've said what I have to say. Okay? But once again, I'd like to thank everybody who has been part of this very important initiative. To our guests from Australia, thank you very much for being here with us. Can we give a round of applause to our visitors from Australia? I'm sure you had an exciting time here. Any short notes, please accept my apologies. Ganesh, thank you very much for being part of us, and I know I've worked with you before. So that's Mr. Ganesh for bringing this program into Fiji. A big round of applause to him. To the Australian government, thank you very much. Margaret, your government I'm always appreciative of the support that we get in this way. And of course, a big thank you to all the schools that have been part of this program, those that have prepared the healthy snacks, those that are part of the entertainment item, to the head teachers, to the management of the various schools, to the teachers who have been part of it, and of course to all the children who have been part of this. Please become champions for this, right? Live healthy, live longer. And how do you do that? Eating healthy food, exercising, reducing your TV time, the computer time, what else? Growing your own fruits and vegetables, and choosing this healthy lifestyle. It's the choice. Okay? So with these words, thank you all, and thank you for making this program a successful one. And I look forward for further initiatives so that we can reach out to other schools around the country. So God bless you and stay healthy. Thank you very much.
So thank you. Commercial Farm State.